Properties of exponents. Concept 2, dividing powers with the same base. So we have a situation where we're dividing two numbers. Both of them have exponents and both of them have the same base. All we have to do is, well, make sure the base is the same, but then subtract the first exponent from the second exponent. So in this case we have 3 to the second divided by 3 to the fourth. And keep our base the same, and it becomes 2 minus 4. Whatever the bottom number or the second number, because we could also write this as 3 to the second divided by 3 to the fourth. Okay, so whichever the bottom number or the second number, whichever one that is the one that becomes negative, or that's the one that you're subtracting. Okay, and then 3 to the second minus 4 is going to be 3 to the negative second power.